Good afternoon everyone. Hi ladies. So I'm starting off and I'm going to try. Okay, so this is the plan for today. I am having a bit of, not a down day, but kind of like I'm just not feeling myself today, and I want to pick myself up and make myself feel, you know, better. So the plan is to head to House of Fraser and do a little bit of shopping, see what I can find, see if I can find something that I like on me. And as I mentioned before in like previous videos, I'm not really feeling my weight gain in this region, and it's making it very difficult for me to buy clothes, for me to like anything that I purchase. It's making it really difficult. So I'm finding myself trying things on and just not liking the way that anything really looks. So I don't know, we are going to head to House of Fraser and see what they have. I'm going to do a try on, see if I like anything on me, and let's hope I do. But if I don't, I'm not going to get too hard on myself. I'm not going to do any of that. Just okay, move it along and go and do something else. So yeah, that's the plan for today. And afterwards I think I might head to a museum and just do something a bit different, take my mind off of me and put it onto something that I really enjoy, which is Egyptology and stuff from back in the day, honey. So that's what we're going to be doing. I think we're going to go to the British Museum. So yeah, I'll bring you along with me. We might also go somewhere as well around happy hour and sit at the bar, but I'll see how I feel and if I want to bring you with me. Okay, let's get going. We're not going into Selfridges today, but I rarely bother to look up and actually appreciate the building. We've got the Union Jack up there, and yeah, just super pretty. Okay, let's keep heading on down this way to House of Fraser. Also on Duke Street there's a restaurant down here called Spaghetti House. It's literally right at the end over there, and that's a really good place to come and sit if you just want to people watch and have something to eat as well. There's outdoor seating and also inside, but let's keep going and try not to get run over. The black cab almost got me. So I'm just having a look at these foundations. I just want something that I can use as a mixing foundation because I have one that's a little bit too orange. So I wanted to get something else to kind of balance it out. I was using number 5. Well, I purchased this one to try to balance it out, but I guess I was thinking that I was a bit darker than I am. This one's way too dark and way too orangey. So I'm going to look for something else. Wait, that says number 5. What is this? No, this is number 5. This is the one that I bought, which really looks good, but it's not. So I think I'll need to go for something a little bit lighter. So let me have a look. So I'm going to go for shade number 4. It's just one lighter than the one that I previously had. So this is the one I'm going to go for. Okay, let's get this. I've just seen the perfect nail varnish to go with my jumper. But I've tried ones like these before, and now I'm trying to go with things a little bit different, but I do want to try more of a plain neutral kind of color, a bit more neutral than this. I think I'll have a look on Amazon and see what I can find, but yeah, let's go and pay for this.
Please scan your first item.
She came to me, I said no.
I think I might try this for a nice everyday smart casual kind of dress. I think this might be the first piece that I like, but I kind of wish it had something satin or on it. It looks a little bit boring, I don't know. I'll have a look around and see what else I can find. I love the stitching. This is literally something my mum would wear. This has her name written all over it, but maybe not the pink. If it was red instead or green, she'd love it. I love the colors, but just not the design of any of this stuff. Okay, this is nice, but I feel like we've all seen it before. I don't know, just not loving anything right now. Just found the prettiest, sparkliest dresses. What do you ladies think about these? But of course, I mean, this isn't anything like what I'm looking for, but the detailing is so pretty. These are more occasion dresses, and also they're way too long. These are not for women 5'1". Oh, this one I could figure that out, but the others are a bit too long. I'm not I kind of wish this wasn't there. But this is really lovely as well. I'm in the changing rooms and I'm about to try on a couple of pieces that I pulled that I'm honestly, I haven't been in love with anything I've seen. I like a couple of these pieces, but I'm not in love with anything I'm seeing right now. So let's see how I feel when I actually put them on. But I wanted to show you my outfit today. Just kind of cute casual, I would say. I'm wearing this pink ribbed jumper with a button detailing, and this is actually cropped, so it goes up at the side, so it gives you a really nice silhouette figure if you have it not tucked in. And then these paper bag waisted faux leather pleated skirt and my over the knee boots. So yeah, just super casual. And these are the pieces that I pulled. I have 4 items. This I love, but I wish it wasn't navy. I'm not really a navy person. This, we'll see. So here they are on the hanger, and momentarily you will see them on my body. So take a good look and let's get changed. Now I've taken off my skirt, you can see properly what I meant about the shape, and it just comes up here and it gives you, just makes curvy and everything a little bit more. But yeah, let's get these on. What do you think? Do you like the look of this dress? I obviously do not like it on. I mean, it's just not, it's not made for the female form, I would say. If you're interested, then I tried on the size 3. This was the smallest size that they had. This is the price. I just rolled this underneath because it was a bit long. Alright, so this one, sorry, it's a little bit loud, I hope you can hear me, but this one is a size, this is a size 10, so it's way too big. This was the smallest size they had, and yeah, it's just not really flattering on me, I'd say, but I do love the detailing. I love the colors, and you see you have that streak of gold in there, pinks, orange. I usually hate orange, but it looks nice amongst the other colors. It complements it well, but this is not really working for me. So far, I prefer this the most, but I feel like it makes my shoulders a little bit. Let's try on the one we've been waiting for. Let's try this one on. This is from Reese. I got the size S, so let's put this one on. In case you're interested in this one, this is by Helene Berman, and this is the size 10. And this is a size 1 by Ted Baker.
Yeah, I know it's more confusing, but yeah. It's just a little bit. It's a thinner waist. It's beautiful for like an autumn jacket, but it's yeah. But then if you think you get some
So this dress I'm actually pleasantly surprised with. The only thing is, of course my bust is too big for the size S. Like, it's literally stretching this out, and the size medium would be way too big, and I'm not taking stuff in and doing all of that. I'm just not. I don't love it enough to do that. But this is really cute. What are your views on this one? Comment below if you like this. Let me know. I'm looking for everyday wear, and this is just a bit too sexy for everyday wear, but yeah, I love this color with my complexion. I think that it just looks really pretty, and also this looks really lovely. I love the contrast against the navy, even though I don't really love navy. But yeah, let me know what your views on this are. Do you like this dress, and would you wear this? If you're interested, then this is the price. These look so cute and so comfortable. The only thing is, it's literally getting warmer now, like we're coming into spring, but these look really lovely. I'm not too sure how I feel about a brown heel with a black base. It just seems a bit mix match, but yeah, these are really cute, and I can tell that you can still hear the clank, but it's really comfortable as well because you have the platform. These are cute as well. Which are these? Doesn't say. Lovely. No. As I've done in some of my previous vlogs, I wanted to show you a restaurant suggestion for you to go to. This is 45 German Street, and I've been here a few times. They definitely have the kind of gentleman that you're wanting to meet. So inside there's a bar, so you can sit at the bar, and there's also table seating. I'll just go a little bit closer so you can actually see in. So there's the bar over there. So really lovely food and lovely kinds of guys. Anyway, I'm just going for a stroll. So right now I'm just going for a stroll. I can't actually be bothered to go to the museum, so I'm not going to do that. Chutney Mary is also another place. This is somewhere I haven't actually been to yet, but it's on my list of places to try. It has a bar, so there's bar seating area. It's quite pricey as well, so the kind of clientele that will be in there will be more eligible gentlemen, I'd say. And this is in Pall Mall, so definitely come by. It's just off of King Street. And I also wanted to add that, especially because I am going through this really weird stage right now with my how I'm feeling about my body, like there are certain things that I just want to tweak and change. Really I just want to tone up, so I'm going to be taking that a lot more seriously, and I'm going to start running again. Yes, I'm going to start running again, just to give myself a new challenge. I feel like I need to do something a bit different, change up different things. In that will be running and my health and fitness journey that I want to get on track with. So yeah, some positive changes and different things coming for my personal life and for my body. But I'll keep you along my journey with me. But yeah, right now I really don't want to go home yet because it's such a nice day. So I think I'm just going to have a nice little walk and get my steps in and then make my way home. And P.S. I'm feeling so much better now, so mission accomplished. Mission accomplished.
1 hour later.
I just thought I would check in, and I think I actually might end this vlog here, soon as I have lifted my mood. I feel much better now after getting out and getting some fresh air and also trying on some clothes. That always makes me feel better. But yeah, I'm going to head home. I think I'm going to have something to eat at home and probably just edit this vlog and get this up as soon as I get back. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Also, we are going to be doing the live stream for a new dating challenge, so turn on your notifications and I'll see you in my next video, which I think will actually be the live stream tomorrow. So Friday the 3rd of March will be going live. Okay, I'll see you then.